Hey guys, quick video. Gray and I did a Zoom with some people in our challenge group, and we went over some basic changes or some basic questions they had or some changes they wanted to make. And I love making content off real live examples because chances are you're struggling with it too. All right, so a few of the things we discussed was breakfast, getting enough protein, and meal prepping. So for breakfast, for busy people, I'm a big believer in a smoothie, a whey protein smoothie with some fruit and some peanut butter, some almond milk, some Fairlife milk. Whatever you want to make is a great way to start off the day, okay? I don't prefer everybody to do shakes because shakes aren't very filling, but if you have to get something quick, a shake is the great way to do it. A smoothie is the great way to get enough protein. Anywhere between 25 to 45 grams of protein in that smoothie is going to be a great idea, depending on what your protein requirements are, which are based on kind of like what your weight is and what your goal weight is. That's my dog. So the other thing is protein intake. A good strategy with protein intake is this: take the amount of protein you need with the number of meals you can eat per day and divide it. Okay, if you can do if you can do 4 meals a day and you need 120 grams of protein, that's 30 grams of protein per meal. That's not even counting high protein snacks like Greek yogurt, beef jerky, cottage cheese, lean deli meats, all of that, all right? So it does take a little bit of planning to get that amount of protein in. And remember, we're looking at progress over perfection, all right? One day you might get 90, the next day you get 100, the next day you might get 120, and if your goal is 150, maybe you'll work up to that, all right? Eating the amount of protein is definitely something I have to plan for, all right? The next thing, all right, is meal prepping. Social media has destroyed what meal prepping has to be, all right? Everybody thinks meal prepping has to be this amazing refrigerator with this matching Tupperware with your little servings. You got 30 of them in. You take 8 hours of your day on Sunday with a grill. No, okay? I do meal prepping, smorgasbord kind of buffet style. I'll just cook turkey, ground turkey on a Sunday, and then I'll make the whole pound or 3 pounds of ground turkey and put it in the fridge. Do the same with chicken and do the same with ground beef and just have it in a Tupperware, a big Tupperware, and I just scoop it out for my meals. I take it with me. I do big bags of frozen fruit. I do big bags of frozen vegetables. They're very easy to make. I have a lot of food that goes with me on the go, like bagels, protein bars, Greek yogurt, tuna packets, things like that. That's meal prepping. Don't make it too hard, okay? Meal prepping can be as easy as just packing your lunch for 5 meals a day. It's not that hard. A lunch and a protein bar, okay? That's what I take to work, a lunch and a protein bar. So those are the 3 basic things we covered. We have a lot of tools for our private coaching clients that we use with them, breaking down the days, giving suggested food lists. We have a cookbook for them. Our challengers get all of the same stuff. So I hope that helps you, because here's what I can tell you. If you're lifting weights, getting a good breakfast, getting quality protein, and scheduling in your day for the amount of food you need to get, you're gonna be so far ahead of the game, you're gonna be on the right track.